business leaders. In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead of the curve is not just an option, it's a necessity. But let's face it, managing your business's online presence across Google's platforms can be overwhelming. That's where we come in. Imagine having a personal assistant powered by the latest AI technology, designed to streamline your Google-related tasks. From optimizing your Google ads to diving deep into Google Analytics, we've got you covered. Our AI doesn't just stop at managing campaigns. It crafts compelling ad copy, schedules your appointments, and even generates reports that are easy to understand. It's like having an expert at your fingertips, 24/7. But what about growth, you ask? Our AI specializes in SEO and content management, ensuring your website attracts and retains the right audience. Plus, with automated customer interactions, your clients always feel heard. And the best part? It's all automated. This means you can focus on what truly matters, growing your business and nurturing your client relationships. Join the countless businesses that have already elevated their Google game. It's time to empower your online presence effortlessly. Let's make the digital world work for you. Reach out to us, and let's embark on this journey together. You can book a free consultation with our AI expert, Philip. He's a real person with an expertise in AI automation for businesses of all sizes.